Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for you: the Architectural Mailboxes Oasis 360 Locking Parcel Mailbox. And let me tell you, it's the best locking mailbox available in the market. This extra-large, black mailbox is not just a mailbox. It's a fortress for your mail and parcels. Let's dive into why the Oasis 360 is a game-changer. First up, the dual-door access. Unlike traditional mailboxes, the Oasis 360 has two retrieval doors, one at the front and one at the back. This means you can access your mail from either side, and you won't have to stand on the road to get your mail. It's all about safety and convenience. Now, let's talk about size and security. The Oasis 360 can accept parcels ranging from 9.5 inches wide by 12.6 inches long by 1.5 inches high to 9.5 inches wide by 3.5 inches long by 2.5 inches high. So, whether it's small envelopes or larger packages, this mailbox has got you covered. And when it comes to security, it's USPS approved and built like a tank. It's made of galvanized steel, fully powder-coated inside and out for corrosion resistance. This mailbox means business. Installing the Oasis 360 is a breeze. It comes with pre-drilled 4x10-inch mounting holes in the floor, allowing for easy installation. But remember, if you're mounting it to posts not manufactured by architectural mailboxes, you might need some additional hardware. It's designed with your convenience in mind. And here's something to feel good about: the Oasis 360 is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and durability. So, not only are you getting a top-notch mailbox, but you're also supporting local craftsmanship. So, there you have it, the Architectural Mailboxes Oasis 360 Locking Parcel Mailbox, the best locking mailbox on the market. With its dual-door access, size, security, ease of installation, and being made in the USA, it's a winner all around. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.